Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys iPhone guys voice over setting guys, how to on and use. Friends you want to on and friends you want to use guys your voice over in your iPhone device. So how to on and use guys voice over today friends I will show you. I will tell you guys one by one and step by step guys. So first of all guys you will have to on guys your iPhone setting. So after on iPhone setting guys, how to on guys voice over guys, scroll it friends, you can see this type of setting in your iPhone. So how to on, so friends click on guys your accessibility setting. Accessibility setting guys, we will click on guys iPhone guys accessibility setting guys. After on accessibility setting friends, first one guys you can see your voice over. So friends you can see this voice over guys, how to use guys, you can see double tap to activate the any setting. Friends you want to in setting, you will have to double tap. So friends first guys we will give permission
Voice over on.
so guys voice over will on
Settings.
guys.
Voice over on.
So once your voiceover will on and how to use get double tap to activate guys your voiceover. Once you want to back, so guys one tap and double
Accessibility
tap to back. Once you can see setting the one tap and double
settings.
tap to back. And guys you cannot use
Settings.
your voiceover with one finger guys, two finger guys,
Rows
sorry guys,
18
three
to
finger guys you
31
can.
of 62. Settings.
Friends you can use guys your screen guys, you can scroll guys with three finger guys, you will have to use guys your three finger to scroll your screen. Then guys you can scroll guys one and two finger will not work guys, you can see guys three finger guys we can use this voiceover setting in iPhone guys. Tap here and guys scroll with the three finger, you can scroll it and you can use it. Friends you want to back, so guys you can back from here guys. So like that guys you want to use guys your voiceover, so guys you can on and friends you can use from here guys.
Emergency rows 18 to rows 20.
So friends you can use with your three fingers, so guys scroll it. And friends you don't want to use guys your voiceover, guys click on accessibility, double tap guys, voiceover tap and double tap voiceover.
Voiceover off.
So friends your voiceover will off and friends you can use your iPhone guys without any voiceover problem, means guys your voiceover setting guys we can use it. So like that guys we can on and guys we can use voiceover, and friends you want to off so you can off it in your iPhone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.